Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Jayla Mitchell, also known as NaturalReign, and today I'm gonna be trying the little whoop-de-dee, swoop-de-dee, half up, half down hairstyle. I don't usually try hairstyles, so I'm particularly nervous. So nervous that I almost didn't film this because I'm like, I could possibly fail pretty epically. But then I thought, even if I fail, it'll probably be funny. I'll probably get a laugh out of it. So I'm like, I'm gonna film it anyway. I didn't just wake up, but usually I keep my bonnet on and stuff like that until I'm going somewhere or I'm about to do something or I'm finna be seen. You feel me? This bonnet is actually by Glow by Day. It's reversible, it's adjustable, it's all that jazz. And I've been rocking with them since like the beginning, like 3 years ago when I started my YouTube channel. I'm gonna have it linked down below for you guys and everything like that. But it's black on. It is black on. Okay, let me stop. Okay, so taking that off, I got my headscarf, which I'll also have linked. Everything that I'm using will be linked. Don't fret. I'm just taking down my hair, and my hair is just in a wash and go, you guys. That's cute, ain't it? I'm real cute. Fluff it out, honey. Fluff it out, honey. Okay, no, but now I really am real cute. How you feel about that? I don't do hairstyles. I'm nervous cause I ain't never did this before. And I got a middle part and the style is like a side swoop diddy doop diddy. So I'm gonna need to make it a side part and my parting skills I don't wanna talk about it. I don't know if I mentioned this. I am starting on a wash and go. So what I'm thinking is I wanna part this way. How to swoop diddy doop diddy gonna swoop diddy doop doop. You feel me? You gotta visualize it first. Visualize it and then we real life it. How much of the hair should go into this swoop diddy doop diddy? Cause I want it to be swoop diddy doop diddy. I'm using this like it's a real thing. Like a half up, half down situation. I feel like my hair is gonna fight me on this. It's like, we don't do hairstyles. You must have got me confused with that other hair cause this ain't that. Okay, maybe I need to go a little more on this side. Okay, so now that I have my desired part, it's kind of straight. It's about as straight as it's gonna get. I'm just gonna twist this part up so I could get it out of my way. So now for the half up, half down part, take some hair like this. I'm looking down, it's cause that's where my mirror is, cause I could do a wash and go without a mirror, but I cannot do this without a mirror. I'm not that skilled yet. Just taking my sections for the half up, half down part. Okay, so now I'm just gonna take a ponytail holder. This is really a knee-high stocking. If you know, you know. And then I'm gonna pull the rest of this hair back too, because I don't need nothing getting in my way. So I'm just gonna take like a small section and I'm gonna connect this part to this part, if that makes sense, so that it stays flat. This is the part where I wet it. So this is the actual hard part. It wasn't me parting my hair, which is pretty difficult. It's doing this. So I'm gonna saturate this because this is the part that's supposed to be laying flat on my head, which I'm gonna be honest with you, I like the swoop idea, but I'm afraid that's gonna give me pimples on my forehead and that's not cute. Like, I did not sign up for that. So I'm gonna just rub that through. My hair already has product in it and it's moisturized. So I don't think I need to add any more leave-in, but if your hair is dry, add leave-in before you add your gel for sure. Then I'm gonna take my dimming brush, and we're not doing breakage. We don't have time for that. So just be careful. Detangle, take your time. So the next step is I'm gonna take the Edge Factor pomade and I'm gonna use that. This is my gel of choice. And I'm gonna use that to smooth this part down because it's supposed to be laying like blat out, you feel me? So don't be shy. I feel like when it comes to laying my edges, this gel does a really good job. So I'm thinking it should be along the same lines. Hopefully, maybe. So since my hair is detangled and the product is added, I'm now gonna take this hard bristle brush and go to work. The key to this is really your hair being detangled, or I promise you this brush will not slide so easily. Do 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 do. Almost. This part is too short, so it's gotta go. After brushing it down, I'm gonna take a rubber band, trying to keep it smooth. Okay, and on this note, once you feel like your hair is smooth, take that rubber band and you can fix it up a little bit if it ain't looking like you want it. And then we're gonna attach it to this part at the bottom. Okay, so I'm gonna take that, connect the two pieces with the rubber band, add more of the gel if you need to get that smooth desired look. I think we're working with something. We're not working with a lot, but I think we're working with something. My hair don't want to lay flat for nothing. So now we can start taking this part and we are just gonna smooth these sections. Oh, this could be a cute little bunny bun. Okay, so this should be the easier part. Don't quote me on that, but I'm just gonna pull this section up and gel it, just adding water. Like I said, my hair is already moisturized, but if it wasn't, I would definitely add a leave-in before adding any type of gel because we don't want our hair to break off. We want moisture above all else. So I'm just applying the gel and working it in. Now for this part, I'm just gonna take out some of the hair that could make cute little baby hairs. This stuff really got your stuff sticking, man. I'm gonna take out this section. Just a little some, you know, little slight flicks. I'm gonna take pantyhose. You can use ponytail holder, whatever floats your boat. I'm gonna wrap it around 3 times. Okay, and then we're gonna secure it, make sure it's nice and tight. Next on the list, we're gonna take this bottom part down. We're trying to move and shake with something, we really are. Okay, I've opted for a bun, so I'm just gonna take it, make sure it's tight, and then kind of do this. I don't even know how to explain it. Just wrap it around itself. Then I'm gonna take a bobby pin and start pinning it in place so it will stay. You could loosen it up, whatever it is you're feeling, tuck some pieces in, really going for like that doo-doo-doo-doo shape, you feel me? I don't know if that made any sense at all. Now, I'm just gonna do these edges, which I am not the edge queen at all, but I don't know, just make it do what it do, baby. I ain't finna do nothing too crazy, cause I'm not gifted like that. If you don't feel like your little whoop-de-dee swoop-de-dee is secure enough, just go ahead and add some bobby pins. Now I'm gonna take a satin scarf and lay this part so it can actually stay, but so far I think it's cute. All right, so I'm just taking my scarf, folding it, we're folding it, boom. And I'm gonna just wrap it so I can lay that part down. Ugh, probably should have put my back hair up, but it's whatever. I decided I am gonna stretch my hair because I want that like real big, beautiful hair look. So I've done this before, but basically I just take my hair, I wet it a little bit. I'm gonna use the blow dryer, and this is gonna stretch my hair out so much more. Make sure not to get the end of your hair because then it's gonna look ugly. And don't say I didn't tell you so. So I have had this scarf on for like 10 minutes, reveal time. All right, you guys, so this is what I'm looking like. I think it turned out cute. I would actually wear this hairstyle. It's so weird seeing me in like a real life hairstyle. But you know, got my half up, my little bunny bun in the sun, and party in the back. And I got my little whoop diddy, the swoop diddy diddy diddy. So y'all gotta comment down below. Let me know what you guys think. Should I try more hairstyles? But I think this turned out really cute. Let me show y'all all the angles. I got so much hair, it's hard to give y'all the whole shebang. All right, you guys, I really hope you liked this video. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, especially if y'all want to see more hairstyles. I don't know how many hairstyles I got in my arsenal, but this one was cute and it turned out cute. And I did that. Ooh, ooh, yes. Okay. All right. I will see you guys in my next video. Bye, y'all.